A car power string is not a physical cable. It's a conceptual term that represents the synergy between various components of a vehicle. It's a term we use to describe how different parts of a car work together to create power and performance. Each component, from the engine to the wheels, plays a crucial role in this intricate dance. Think of it like a chain. Every link is important. If one link fails, the entire system can be compromised, affecting the car's overall performance and efficiency. The power string includes the engine or motor, transmission, and wheels. This is your powertrain. The engine generates the power, the transmission transfers it, and the wheels put it to the ground. But it doesn't stop there. The power string also encompasses the computer software and sensors that control everything. These advanced systems ensure that all components work in harmony. Modern cars are equipped with sophisticated software and numerous sensors that monitor and adjust the performance of the powertrain in real time. This technology optimizes fuel efficiency, reduces emissions, and enhances driving experience. Understanding the car power string helps you make informed decisions about the cars you buy and how to maintain them. Knowledge of how these systems interact can guide you in choosing the right vehicle and ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. The powertrain is the heart of the car power string. It's a complex system that works seamlessly to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. It's the combination of components that generate and deliver power to the wheels. This includes everything from the engine to the transmission, and even the drive shafts and differentials. The engine or electric motor provides the initial force. Whether it's a traditional internal combustion engine or a modern electric motor, this component is crucial for starting your car and keeping it running. The transmission manages that power, sending it to the wheels. It adjusts the power output to match the speed and load conditions, ensuring optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Different engine sizes and types will deliver different levels of power and fuel efficiency. Smaller engines might be more fuel efficient, while larger engines provide more power for performance. Understanding these specs helps you choose a car that suits your needs. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency, power, or a balance of both, knowing the details of the powertrain can guide your decision. In modern cars, software plays a crucial role in the power string. The software, in the form of complex data strings, manages engine performance, transmission shifting, and even things like traction control and fuel efficiency. Think of these data strings like a messenger service. They carry information between different parts of the car. This constant communication ensures your car runs smoothly and efficiently. Section 4. Power string in car marketing. Car manufacturers often use the idea of the power string, even if they don't call it that directly, to market their vehicles. This concept revolves around emphasizing the strength and performance aspects of a car, making it more appealing to potential buyers. They highlight horsepower, torque, and fuel efficiency. These metrics are crucial because they give a snapshot of the car's performance capabilities, which can be a significant selling point for many consumers. They also talk about the technology that optimizes performance, like variable valve timing or sophisticated transmission systems. These advanced technologies not only enhance the driving experience but also improve the car's overall efficiency and reliability. Understanding what these terms mean helps you cut through the marketing jargon and understand the real capabilities of a vehicle. By being informed, you can make better decisions and choose a car that truly meets your needs and expectations. So next time you see a car ad, remember to look beyond the flashy terms and focus on what really matters. Section 5. Electric power, the future of automotive. Electric and hybrid vehicles represent a significant shift in the car power string. Instead of a traditional engine, they use electric motors and batteries. The power string in these vehicles also includes sophisticated battery management systems and power electronics. Understanding how these systems work is essential for anyone considering an electric or hybrid vehicle. Section 6. Conclusion, power string, a holistic view. Understanding the car power string means looking beyond individual components. It's about understanding how the engine, transmission, software, and electrical systems work together. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about the cars you buy, drive, and maintain. Whether it's a gas-powered car or an electric vehicle, the concept of the power string remains crucial.